simplest way possible. The biggest capability of HERMES Agent is its ability to learn continuously over time. Unlike OpenClaw, which mainly executes tasks when triggered, HERMES can remember past interactions, adapt based on usage, and gradually become more personalized and effective the more you use it. That's why it should be included in your daily workflow alongside OpenClaw. Combining HERMES' continuous learning with OpenClaw's task execution gives you a much more powerful and efficient AI system. Right now, a lot of people are saying HERMES is outperforming tools like OpenClaw, and it's becoming a major trend as these new AI agents keep getting better and more powerful. But honestly, both OpenClaw and HERMES Agent are strong in their own ways, and when you combine them, you unlock something even more powerful. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to connect OpenClaw with HERMES Agent. So wait for next video to unlock maximum power with these agents. To set up HERMES Agent, it's safer to use an older or secondary PC instead of your main machine. If you have dedicated hardware like a Mac Mini, that works great too. While you can install it on your primary system, it does carry some risk since these newer AI agents may require access to files and system data, so it's better to run them in a controlled or separate environment. First, go to the HERMES Agent website. It can be installed using just one command. However, if you're on Windows, you'll need to set up WSL. Click the provided link and install Linux on your system using WSL. Simply copy the command and paste it into PowerShell to begin the installation. Also, make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Without it, WSL won't work properly. In your terminal, type WSL and your Ubuntu terminal will open. Now copy the installation command and paste it here. It may take a few minutes as it downloads dependencies and sets everything up. During this process, you'll notice it installing multiple tools and integrations like GitHub, Twitter, iMessage, Codex, and more. These are part of HERMES' capabilities. Once the installation is complete, choose the Quick Setup option. Next, you'll be asked to select a model provider. You can choose any provider you're comfortable with. I'll go with OpenRouter for this setup. After that, it will ask for your API key. Simply paste it in. Even though you won't see the key on the screen while typing, it is still being saved. Then, select the model you want to use. Since this is just for testing, I'm choosing a free model. After that, you'll get an option to connect HERMES with messaging platforms like Telegram or Discord. You can set that up now if you want, but I'll skip it for now and show it later. Finally, it will ask if you want to start chatting with HERMES. Just type Y, and your AI agent will start running. Now let's test it. Just type something simple like, "Hey," and you'll see HERMES respond instantly with something like, "Hey, how's it going?" And that's it. Your setup is complete. As you can see, it's surprisingly easy to get started with HERMES Agent. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about HERMES Agent? Do you feel it's better than OpenClaw, or do you think both have their own strengths? Thanks for watching this video.